What's up, YouTube? All right, so at the National Open, they got this drink called the Honey Deuce. Basically, it's Grey Goose vodka, two ounces of Grey Goose vodka, 1 ounce of Chambord, Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur. However, if you don't have that, we have pomegranate and raspberry liqueur also as a substitute. This is Palma that you can use. This is Jahoit. Jahoit is a creme de cassis blackberry liqueur, and Palma is a pomegranate liqueur. You can use these as substitutes for the raspberry liqueur, that Chambord. Also, you put in pomegranate juice. This is, I'm using Simply lemonade. Now they use Minute Maid lemonade. And the only Minute Maid lemonade that I could find was zero sugar, and I don't use that zero sugar stuff. So I'm going to put in, spill a little bit, 2 ounces Grey Goose, and I'm spilling it all over the table here. 2 for you, 2 for me. Then we want 1 of these, so I'm going to flip it over and choose one of these. For that one, I want to make this one pomegranate. This one, I'm going to make blackberry, and of course the Chambord is the raspberry. They all have a very, very taste to them. I'm taking lemonade, top it off. And what I did also here is I chilled these glasses in the refrigerator or freezer. So I got the glasses ice cold. Got my ice, and then they call it the Honey Deuce because you have your honey melon. And now they cut them in circles, and I didn't have they didn't really have the circle whatever. They didn't have the honeydew melons. They were not in season, so I just got like the little box, the cocktail boxes or whatever. And so there you have it. Your honey deuces. They sold $23, $22 per drink at the U.S. Open, and they sold over $12.8 million worth. So I figured I'd have to give it a try. And for the skewers, I use shish kebab skewers, and this one is a chopstick. If you want a big one, because your toothpick's not going to be big enough. So anyways, that's the Honey Deuce. Like I said, it's just 2 parts Grey Goose, 1 part liqueur, and top it off with lemonade. And then these are supposed to be shaped like tennis balls, but you get the point though. Deuces.